The cordless pressure washer offers a powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 1,200 pounds per square inch and a water flow rate of 390 liters per hour, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt on gardens and patios. Equipped with 2 batteries, each providing 15 to 60 minutes of runtime, this pressure washer ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions and fast recharging in just 1.5 hours. This versatile tool features a 6-in-1 nozzle offering various spray patterns, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, jet, and shower, enhancing its adaptability for different cleaning tasks. The inclusion of a 400 milliliter foam sprayer allows for quick and dense foam application, making it perfect for cleaning cars, bikes, boats, and homes effortlessly. Designed with an upgraded leak-proof system, the washer incorporates durable silicone rings and a secure quick connector to prevent leaks and extend the product's lifespan. This comprehensive package includes 2 batteries, a fast charger, a foam cannon, a 6-in-1 nozzle, an extension wand, a 16.4-foot hose with filter, faucet adapters, and a user manual with video instructions, ensuring you have everything needed for effective cleaning.